Hello. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Xiaomi 12X. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now here you will need to write the name of the browser we want to find, and it's Microsoft Edge. After you typed in the name correctly, hit the search button and select this app. Press on the install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and begin setting it up. So from here we can add the synchronization accounts. So if you want to have the same history or add-ons or anything from your PC, you will need to add the account that is bound to your PC version of this browser. I'm just gonna skip that. From here you can accept or not accept the data sharing for your Microsoft Edge and press confirm. Now you can set the Microsoft Edge as your default browser if you want, but you don't need to. I'm gonna do it. Yes, let's do it. Press more right here, select Edge, and it will be your default browser. And from now on you should be able to use it normally without any trouble. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.